Before you go traveling, let me tell you something. Biren is promising and never disappointing. Let's walk around, because every landscape is like a playground. Welcome to its swamp, and being able to explore its beauty is awesome. Its home industry is famous for making various types of chips and traditional pottery. What about culinary made from local recipes? Its unique taste is legendary. From satay to curry, you know that trying it is necessary. You know that fresh food is always the best. At the right time, you can also join in to harvest. Come down to its river, because it has something to offer. Sit down on the rock boulder, and the water will make you feel much better. White sandy beaches, they don't have any. However, the rocky coastline is extraordinary, and I'm sure coming here is good for your travel story. So, remember what I'm saying. If you go traveling, Biren is waiting.